September 28th, 2019. It's snowing. Morning breakfast. Looks like we're finishing up here. Guys, look at this. We have snow coming down. And this stuff is supposed to be staying. They're talking about 9 to 10 inches. Up in the mountains, which is pretty crazy. I can't even remember a time that we got snow late September. So, precursor for a rough winter? I don't know. Probably brought the bad luck in with this hat. Guys, I got sent this hat by a viewer. Sent us a bunch of goodies, actually. A nice little goodie package full of cool stuff. Got this hat. He sent me some bullets. Labeled it coyote food. Sent a bottle of Jameson, labeled it for teething only. It's this cool Cleveland Browns hat, but it came in perfect today because it's cold and all the winter gear is put away, so I was able to put this on, keep my head warm. Sent a bunch of baby stuff. His kids had tie-dyed a bunch of onesies for Creed, so Creed's decked out in some cool clothes. And then sent us some Scrapple, which was a little sketchy. And guys, don't send me food. Normally I won't eat food. The person who sent this package is a friend, been a friend for a while, so I'm not worried about him trying to kill me. Although the Scrapple looks like it may, in fact, kill me. But we're gonna be frying that stuff up. I said to slice it, bread it, fry it real good. So we're gonna be frying that stuff up. It'll be the first time we've ever eaten Scrapple. If you don't know what Scrapple is, apparently it's all the little loose bits of meat that come off of a pig after all the cuts have been taken off. The pigs are just jostling for a nice comfortable place to lay over there. But then it's sort of pushed together like a loaf, and then you slice it and fry it, I guess. I've never had it before, it'll be the first time. Maybe today, if we wander outside too much. Should be a rough day, a bit of a winter storm throughout the entire day. Old cow's doing good. You can see right here underneath that tree, she's got a dry spot. This one spot just stays dry even in the winter time. It'll just be bare ground just because of that big dude there. But we are going to be working on, even in the storm today, we are going to be working on his shelter. I've got his shelter, her shelter, my bad. I've got her shelter untarped. Here, I got my metal. So we're gonna put the metal roof on this so that she has a nice place to get out of the weather if she chooses to, better than the tree area. So that's what we're gonna be working on today. Hopefully get that done. Weather conditions a little rough. Looks like the lens is fogging there. We'll get her done. So we will get set up for that stuff and then we will be back. Alrighty guys, there it is, all done. Due to the cold weather, the battery died. But we got the roof on. We used everything except for two sheets. We got some extra sheets to be able to use. We're gonna come back through and cut these bottoms. I just let them run wild. We'll come back and cut these. Luckily, a lot of this sheet metal the screw holes were up the seams and not out in the field, so we were able to pretty much kind of close a lot of them up just by lapping them. And then as we notice them leaking, we'll just get up there and put some silicone on them. This weather is crazy. We don't ever get snow this early, and they're calling for a lot of it. It'll be interesting to see what kind of winter we have this year. This is probably going to throw a curveball in a lot of the plans of people that moved here recently, getting this kind of stuff right off the bat. The animals are kind of showing it's going to be a hard winter. A lot of them are putting on coats early, which is always an indicator that bad weather's coming. So we'll see. But guys, that is it for now. The cow has at least a roof over her head. She doesn't have a name yet, but nice dry area. We'll give it a couple of days, and then we'll go in there and rake out everything that's in there. It's wet. Throw her some straw, and then she should be good. Well, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the shelter. Cost me very little. As you can see, it's made out of the trees that were in the ground right here. They're still in the ground. A couple of 2x6s, some screws, and some free sheet metal. Can't beat it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe. Tell a friend.